Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best solar car charger is probably one of the most innovative gadgets for EV owners. Harnessing the power of the sun, this device offers a convenient and eco-friendly way to keep your car battery charged. Whether you're at home, on the road, or in an emergency, this charger ensures your vehicle is always ready to go, making it a must-have for anyone looking to embrace sustainable energy. Number 5. POWOXI 7.5W Solar Battery Trickle Charger. This POWOXI solar charger features an upgraded intelligent charge controller. It has a built-in protection system for fast and stable charging. The solar panel's energy conversion efficiency is up to 25 to 30%. The charger's smart internal protection system prevents battery damage and overcharging. It ensures safety with its blocking diode structure, preventing overvoltage and short circuits. This makes charging much safer. This 7.5W solar car battery charger is built to last. It uses high transparency, impact-resistant glass and requires no maintenance. It's designed to withstand various weather conditions. The ABS plus PC frame is stronger than flexible solar panels, protecting it from bending. Unlike aluminum alloy, it won't damage your car's paint. This design ensures durability. Installation is simple, just plug it into your car's power outlet or connect it directly to the battery using alligator clips. It's convenient and easy to use. This charger is perfect for cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. It works with various 12V batteries, so you don't have to worry about battery drain. It features a two-color LED indicator. Red means it's receiving sunlight, and green means it's charging the battery. The mirror PV glass design improves light transmittance. What we like. This solar charger boasts a high conversion efficiency, ensuring you get the most out of sunlight. It also features a smart internal protection system, safeguarding your battery from damage. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use charger for your car, motorcycle, or boat, this is a great choice. What people say. It has dealt with the heat no problem, made it through 2 thunderstorms, and has kept the battery topped up. This charger kit is a compact and practical tool for keeping 12V batteries charged in cars, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and more. The 7.5-watt panel provides a gentle but steady charge. It won't revive a dead battery quickly, but it's great for maintaining a healthy battery over time. Number 4. SOLPERK 20W 12V Solar Panel Kit. This 20W solar panel uses monocrystalline A+ solar cells, achieving an excellent efficiency of 21% to 30%. It's designed to charge and maintain various 12V rechargeable batteries, ensuring they stay powered up. With a low iron-tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, this panel is 100% waterproof and rust-proof. It's built to withstand all weather conditions, providing a lifespan of up to 25 years. The upgraded 8A controller has a charging efficiency 20% to 30% higher than others. Its intelligent 3-stage design prevents overcharging and short circuits. The indicator lights clearly show the battery's charging status. It comes with a 360-degree adjustable mounting bracket. This allows the panel to always face the sun at the best angle. Installation is easy with pre-drilled holes and included screws. All cable connections are plug and play. You'll receive the solar panel, charger controller, mounting bracket, alligator clips, O-rings, and mounting pieces. It also includes 1 year of after-sales service and lifetime technical support. Your questions will be answered within 1 day. What we like. With its high conversion rate, this solar panel efficiently charges your batteries. The durable construction ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you need a robust and efficient charging solution for your RV, boat, or any vehicle, consider this panel. What people say. Great product that harnessed the power of the sun and charged the dead battery in my RV engine compartment. The MPPT charge controller is a major upgrade. It regulates the charging process, making sure that my batteries get the most efficient charge possible without overcharging. It consistently delivers the full 100W under direct sunlight, which is more than enough for trickle charging and maintaining multiple batteries. Number 3. OYMSAE 20W 12V Solar Panel Car Battery Charger. This solar charger features indicator lights to show you the charging status. The blue light means it's in the sun, red means charging, and green means charging is complete. If a short circuit occurs, all lights will turn off. The built-in microprocessor provides multiple protections. It prevents overvoltage, overcharge, and short circuits. You can safely use it for charging and maintaining your 12V batteries. The surface design helps to capture more sunlight. This design significantly improves the efficiency of converting sunlight into power. It comes with a plug-and-play SAE cable kit, suitable for cars and 12V batteries. The included carabiner and suction cup offer flexible installation options for various vehicles like RVs and boats. Made with durable PET material, it's waterproof and dustproof. An epoxy board adds extra sturdiness. If you have any questions, you can contact us anytime. What we like. The indicator lights on this charger provide clear charging status visualization. It also has intelligent protection features to prevent damage to your battery. If you like to easily monitor the charging process and want a reliable charger for your car or RV, this is a good option. What people say. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to set up right out of the box. Even on cloudy days, it still delivers a consistent trickle charge. Installation took just a couple of minutes, and the suction cups are a game changer. They hold it firmly against the windshield for full sun exposure. Number 2. 10W12V Solar Battery Charger Maintainer Pro. This solar charger features built-in protection. The innovative MPPT technology provides high tracking efficiency, improving utilization. It helps to charge your battery more efficiently. The smart 3-stages charging algorithm ensures safe charging. It maintains the battery at a stable level, extending its life. This also prevents overcharging, so you don't need extra maintenance. This solar battery charger is fully protected with multiple features. It includes overcharge, over-discharge, and short-circuit protection. It's also waterproof, ensuring safety in various conditions. It works with various 12V batteries, including gel, AGM, and lithium. This makes it a versatile trickle charger and maintainer. It's designed to keep your batteries in top condition. Made with A+ mono solar cells, it's built to last. The strong tempered glass and ABS frame can withstand extreme weather. It's designed to handle UV, hail, and even strong winds. It starts charging immediately when connected. The plug-and-play cables make setup simple. You can easily monitor the charging status through the indicator light. This is an automatic and smart solar battery charger for many applications. It's suitable for cars, boats, RVs, and more. It's a convenient solution for various charging needs. What we like. This solar charger utilizes smart MPPT technology for maximum efficiency. It also features a 3-stage charging algorithm to extend battery life. If you have a variety of batteries to charge and want the most advanced charging technology, you should consider this. What people say. So far, it has kept my battery alive for the past 3 months. It shut off when the battery is fully charged. If it is still hooked up, sun is out and the battery is drained in any way, this will automatically turn on and start to trickle charge as needed. Even when not exposed to the sun for half the day, one keeps the battery in a vehicle with a parasitic loss at about 12.6 volts. Number 1. Battery Tender 5W Solar Panel Charger 021-1172. This solar panel is easy to mount on your vehicle's windshield or handlebars. It comes with everything you need for a quick setup. You can easily connect it to your battery. The panel includes ring terminal cables and an OBD2 connector. This gives you options for connecting it to your vehicle. It's designed for convenience. The panel uses smart charging to maintain your battery's optimal voltage. It switches to float mode to prevent overcharging. This helps extend the life of your battery. This compact solar panel works with lithium, lead-acid, AGM, and gel cell batteries. It's a versatile solution for many vehicles. It's designed to keep your battery in top condition. The panel is IP67 rated for weather resistance. It also has spark-proof and reverse charging protection. It comes with a 5-year warranty and lifetime customer support. What we like. This solar panel is designed to be windshield mountable, offering convenient placement options. It's also versatile, compatible with a range of battery types. If you are looking for a compact and easy to install charger for your car or motorcycle, this is a great choice. What people say. Being able to plug into the OBDII port is why I bought this. I see the charging light on this come on even when the sky is overcast, and it is still charging. Mounted it on my shed where the bike lives, within a short time it topped off my battery and has since kept it at 100%. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.